Hello and welcome to another composing trick video. Today we're going to look at creating a kids adventure type of theme. Don't forget, like and subscribe is always appreciated. Let's hear what it sounds like. Okay, let's start with some trombones, staccato style, building on a sus2 and a sus4 leading up to the 5 chord. Now I'm just going to layer that down to the celli. Now we've got sparkling woodwinds from Abbey Road 1, or you could use Glock and oboe. Now we're going to add an answering phrase with spiccato strings and make sure they play in octaves. The short notes really stand out, so I'm going to just duplicate that with the long version. I'm also going to add a Glockenspiel on top so it matches the sparkling woodwinds. Now I just need to make sure the answering phrase lines up, and we need a cadence to end in the horns. And to add a little bit of magic, let's put a harp glissando on the beginning. And there you go, one kids adventure track ready to go. I'll play it again as an outro, but I hope you found that interesting. Like and subscribe is always appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.